800 square yard plot, carpet area of 4100 square feet, Panchsheel, South Delhi. And if you have electric cars, you're gonna get the EV station as well. So this builder floor comes with your private lift which opened right in your house. So this entire house is made up of Italian marble flooring, comes with equipped VRP air conditioning. Kitchen is the heart, and this kitchen is a super modular modern kitchen. And here comes your spacious bathroom which comes with all the luxury fittings. You are getting a personal bath. So today we are here to showcase you the newly built residential development in N Block, Panchsheel, South Delhi. This is one of the most posh area of South Delhi, and owning a house here itself is a style quotient. This building is set up on a 800 square yard plot with a carpet area of 4100 square feet. It is located at one of the most prestigious place in Delhi, and it is just a minute away from Panchsheel Park Club. So here you have a private driveway. You can park your 4 cars here. And if you have electric cars, you're gonna get the EV station as well. So your private driveway will lead you to your private lift. That's your private lift which will directly open into your homes, and this will give you exclusivity and your privacy at your own comfort. So welcome to the extraordinary living experience in the heart of Delhi. Please come. So this builder floor comes with your private lift which opened right in your house. That's your foyer area which leads you to your main dining and drawing room area. So this entire house is made up of Italian marble flooring which is spread across your living spaces. So let's have a look at the wraparound balcony which opens in the lush green. So you can escape from the hustle and bustle of the city and come and find yourself into this serenity. So for any home, kitchen is the heart, and this kitchen is a super modular modern kitchen which is fully equipped with Siemens finest home appliances. This is for those who appreciate beauty and functionality. Look at the space of this kitchen. You can host your parties even if you want to cook, or if you are a culinary enthusiast, this kitchen is best for you. And you know what? There's a hidden gem for this kitchen as well. So this kitchen comes with an extra kitchen which is your wet and dry kitchen. So if you're hosting party in your house, you can dump all your utensils over here and your kitchen will look as neat. So at the beginning of the foyer, you will get your powder room which you all need for your touch-ups. And right adjoining, you will get the storage room. So this vestibule area leads you to your master bedrooms. So here's your master bedroom which comes with equipped VRP air conditioning. It comes with your balcony as well where you can have your morning coffees. Plus you will get this Italian marble flooring which leads you, to your walk-in closets. You're getting this huge walk-in closet. And here comes your spacious bathroom which comes with all the luxury fittings. You are getting a personal bath. You can unwind yourself, just enjoy your bath with a glass of wine in your hand. And it comes with your separate bath area and the toilet area as well. So second is your guest bedroom, which comes with equipped wardrobes. This too comes with a balcony. Your guests can enjoy the morning coffees with this lush green views, and they can have a calming morning. Then this too comes with attached washroom, which is quite huge itself. So your guests can have a comfort bath time. So this gorgeous vestibule area now leads you to your third bedroom, which is your second master bedroom. It is made up of wooden flooring, and you know what's the best part of this room is? It has two balconies. One which is giving you the front view, and the second it's giving you the back view. So which is fully loaded with natural light. So the third bedroom is also giving you the walk-in closet, plus each and every bed has a separate bath. Every inch of this space is meticulously designed to offer you unparalleled living experience. You are getting spacious 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and you are getting the spacious 4 BHK layout ensures that you and your family have all the room that you need to live, relax, and entertain. The washrooms are truly indulgent. They are fully equipped with German CP fittings. So along with 4 bedrooms, you're going to get 2 more domestic rooms as well. So that's 1 domestic room. That's 2 domestic rooms. So this house is designed keeping in mind all your luxury and comfort needs. So discover this rare opportunity of owning a slice of luxury in one of Delhi's most coveted location, N Block, Panchil Park. So call us today and schedule your private tour and step into the future of luxury living.